Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Ankr. Ankr is a coin we've taken a look at quite a lot on this channel because there's massive potential behind it. We see the market cap right now at a low 916.4 million, not even a $1 billion market cap right now. The volume in the last 24 hours being 67 million and the circulating supply being 7 billion Ankr. So Ankr is considered to be a low cap gem at this moment because it's still under that $1 billion mark. Obviously, it's not a very low cap gem. It's not going to do 1000x. It's not going to do 100,000x or anything crazy. But I think market cap obviously is going to play a role in a lot of people investing. I think a lot of people understand that the low market cap means you're going to have a potential for large increases and large profits. So if you guys don't know what Ankr is, we're going to go over a few different things here today. We're going to go over price predictions at the very end of the video for April, May, and 2021. We're also going to be taking a deep dive into what Ankr has done this week, as well as what they're working on, and really what Ankr does altogether. So we're going to do all of those things. And I do want to say, guys, first off, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. So to start off, let's talk about what Ankr is. So Ankr is an Ethereum token that powers Ankr, a Web3 infrastructure and cross-chain staking DeFi platform that aims to make it easy and affordable for anyone to participate in blockchain ecosystems by building dApps, hosting nodes, or staking the Ankr token that can be used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as node development, API services, participate in on-chain governance, and also also acts as an insurance for network participants. So if we jump over to Twitter, we're going to see our first article that we're going to take a look at. It's our really only one of, I guess the only article we're going to take a look at because it's actually a very big one. It talks more about what they've done this week. So we offer the only BSC API on the market. You can now stake Ankr to earn Ankr. We are a collateral for Moonbeam Network. If you guys don't know what Moonbeam Network is, take a look there. It's the easiest on-ramp to Polkadot and Ethereum-compatible smart contracts on Polkadot Parachain, launching a mid-2021 in development with Pure Stake Co. So it's going to be a big project, and obviously Ankr being involved is good. So we see call for community initiative is an ongoing event, as well as they are hiring. So obviously anytime a coin or a company obviously is hiring, we're going to see that that's probably a good thing. That means that they're doing well. That means that they have the funds to hire more people. They have the reason to believe that they are still on the right path. So we're continuing to see that, and that's big. Obviously, we saw April 18th. Here's what we achieved this week. So the previous week, let's take a quick look. They launched the L2 API for Polygon, live technical event with Hather Network, live AMA with Crypto Coin Coach, new job openings still in that bi-weekly newsletter as well available there. So if you guys want to take a look at this, definitely jump on Twitter and take a look at Ankr. And let's jump straight over to the website now. So if you guys don't know much about the website, you can go to ankr.com and learn more about what you're investing in. I definitely suggest it because I am not a financial advisor. I'll never give financial advice, and doing your own research is the best way to earn money in crypto. So our ATH2 staking solution has launched. If you guys don't know about this, definitely take a look there. We'll do that in just a second though. Connect to Web3 in minutes. We support more than 40 blockchain protocols for staking or developing purposes. This includes big names, obviously Polkadot, Avalanche, Binance, Bitcoin, Tron. It's just big names there, and I think Ankr jumping into those deep dives is going to be very big for Ankr as a whole altogether. I think staking nodes as well as developer APIs and enterprise solutions is going to help Ankr as well as they continue to work through all three of those. So we see nodes deployed. We have over 8,000 plus trusted by the blockchain pioneers around the world, including things like Harmony, Binance, Celo, Matic, Scale, Stacks. We've talked about a lot of these coins, very big coins. If we go back to the top though, let's go straight into that ETH2 solution. So if we want to stake and you want staking simplified, this is exactly where you'd go. We actually have an exact 2,500 stakers right now, which is pretty cool. Total ETH staked with Ankr over 46,732. We have the staking simplified here, and they talk about Ankr provides decentralized staking services for Ethereum 2.0. Ankr's ETH2 staking protocol and platform combines staking and DeFi, implementing elements from traditional staking with non-custodial management, micropools, instant liquidity, and decentralized governance. So this is a big deal. Obviously, they give you a little demo on how to, start getting your Ethereum actually staked, but you can actually go down here and see why stake with Ankr. Like I said, they talk about the micropool staking manager, staking liquidity and security. They talk about Ankr's ETH2 staking solution provides the best user experience and highest level of safety combined with an attractive reward mechanism and instant staking liquidity through a bond-like synthetic token called AETH. So it's a big deal. Obviously, if you want to see, calculate your earnings, let's just say you have 251,457.43 coins. or I guess dollars worth of ETH, you can actually get $16,875 back yearly earnings. So it's a pretty cool concept. It's very easy to connect your wallet and start staking right away. Then they say access Ankr's ETH2 staking services and ATH here. It's very easy because you have things like Uniswap, SushiSwap, MetaMask, and all of these available to you at your disposal. So let's jump straight back into the price chart because that's where we want to be for those price predictions for April, May, and 2021. So let's give it a quick refresh. Make sure we have the most recent and up-to-date price. It's at that 13 cents as of now, a 0.71% increase in the last 24 hours. So at least we're increasing in the last 24 hours, even though it may be, not too much. We do see a 30.53% decrease in the last week. We see that pretty much with every coin right now, unfortunately. A 10-cent mark for that April 22nd, which is actually pretty solid. If you were able to buy in at that dip, you're definitely looking pretty good right now, as we did, at least recover from that 10-cent mark. If we take a look at the last month, though, we do see that we went up to about a 21.76 and kind of decreased and collected ourselves around this 15 to 16 cent range. Ooh, excuse me. But we actually continue to see growth here. So we actually grew up to that 19, 18 cent mark and then stabilized back down around this, like I said, 12, 13 cent range. So I think we will continue to see Ankr as a very good potential buy. I think a lot of people are going to be jumping in at this cheap price of 13 cents because I think we will get back to this 21, 22 cent mark very, very reasonably soon. So by the end of this the end of this month, where do we see Ankr? Do we think Ankr is going to continue to increase? Do we think it'll stabilize out at this 13 cents? That's a good question. I think for the most part, we are going to see a low but gradual increase as we see more people jumping back into the market. I think we'll see it right around 15 to 16 cents by the end of April. By the end of May, I think we will see a bigger increase, hopefully making our way closer to that previous all-time high, March 27th. I think we'll make our way close to about 21 to 22 to 23 cents. I think it's going to be a great bull run in May. I think May is going to be a big month for a lot of these coins to recover and show past that previous all-time high. So 23 cents is my price prediction, or really price target for Ankr. I'm very much so hopeful on that. Do remember, guys, I try to be conservative and realistic when doing these price predictions. I'll try to be as honest as possible with you guys. So 23 cents is as honest I can get with trying to, hope for the best. I think 23 cents is a reasonable price. And because of that, by the end of 2021, we'll continue to increase. And I think by the end of 2021, we won't just make it to 20, 30, 40 cents. I think Ankr could be much more than that, making its way to about 55 to 60 cents as a possibility. That would be almost a 5x. I think that's, like I said, very possible. About 55 to 60 cents. I think that's reasonable. And let me know in the comments if you guys agree with a 55-cent Ankr. You have to remember the market cap's actually fairly low right now at a 915 million market cap. We could easily see this kind of growth. It just depends a lot on what Ankr's doing. If they don't do much, obviously we won't see that near as much of an increase. So it will depend on the project and the updates that are coming to Ankr. But for the most part, 55 to 60 cents is a reasonable price prediction. I think it's definitely something we can accomplish with Ankr. It's a price target, like I said, that's reasonable. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, like the video, and turn notifications on to be notified every time I make a new video. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Sorry for the little sneeze midway through the video. We don't do editing on this channel. We try to give you guys those prices as quickly as possible so we can be as transparent as possible without editing. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys all in the next one.